Hello everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to claim a free 1-month Discord Nitro subscription. Discord has recently partnered with chess.com, and they've shared an article about this promotion. I'll provide the link in the Discord server so you can check out the details, including the start and end dates of the offer. Here's a quick guide on how you can claim your free Nitro. Visit chess.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one and log in. Find the Play Bots option. On the site, you'll see two buttons, Play Online and Play Bots. Click on Play Bots. Choose a Discord bot. You'll see 3 Discord bots listed. Select any of them. For beginners, if you're not familiar with chess, click on Assistant to get guidance on how to play. Complete a match. You need to either draw or win a match. This should take around 5 to 7 minutes. Claim your Nitro. After finishing the match, you'll see a pop-up offering you the chance to claim your Nitro. You can either claim it for yourself or share it with a friend. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.